RNAZ stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in the next 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Transcode Therapeutics, I see the price melting and melting and melting. With this in mind, what I'm not going to do is randomly get involved though in this bearish market, although there is a big traction and demand around it. A lot of people are skeptic about it. Now, having invested well over 5 figures in courses and mentors, and I have all the proof to back it up, this is still one heck of a bearish market for me. And keep in mind that I began being bearish when this thing was like at right, this was at 70 cents at the time, but guess what, now we're at 70 cents again, but that's because we had like a reverse split. And if you like really look at the relative percentage, we're ultimately down 97% from the last time I made a video, which video was made 10th of October. So notice who called the bearish side here, obviously me, and I do have the proof to back it up. It's still such a bearish market. Obviously not going to look for anything crazy other than if maybe the price shifts and breaks the highs. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.